How to fix allow camera access not showing. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you're trying to open up any application and it's not asking for permission for camera, follow the next steps. So first of all, open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Now go to app management. Now tap on the search bar. Now type the application name. Now go to the application. Now simply tap on permissions. Now under not allowed, simply tap on camera. Now select allow option. If it still doesn't fix the issue, simply restart the device. I hope this should fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.